The biggest challenge with AI infrastructure today, I think, is delivering performance and scalability with stability. I think a lot of these newer type of models that are starting to scale up beyond just pilot programs are finding that it's actually quite difficult to scale. So a lot of them are piloted on legacy architectures, and so they break at a certain point, and it's that point of breaking where you really need stability and that performance scale the most. And that's, I think, a huge problem that VAST solves. I think from a business perspective, there's a strong need to make it outcomes focused in a sovereign state, but also give you the flexibility to have the benefits of load balancing between sites in the way that distributed computing delivered cloud in the early days. But now, without having to ship that data somewhere else, that data needs to stay local. So being able to give that hard isolation that is of the utmost quality that European countries expect in order to deliver proper sovereign AI and make sure that data stays within the boundaries, is completely auditable. So we give full audit capability inside the system. So it makes it a lot easier to collaborate with the regulators, not only for today's regulations, but for tomorrow's regulations that really haven't come yet. Well, first of all, the Nscale people are amazing. They really are. And I think what makes Nscale better for what we're trying to accomplish in Europe and some of the unique challenges that we have is they have a very well-defined distributed inferencing strategy. This is really important to a lot of governments, a lot of public sector entities, but also a lot of companies that need, again, to keep that data inside the country. They need a policy-driven engine at the data layer that gives them low latency, consistent performance, large scale, and most importantly, it needs to be highly durable and highly stable, because they're creating production grade products and they cannot afford these products to go down at all.